Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. If 2a minus 3 over a is equal to 3 minus a over 2, which of the following could be the value of a? And we have these answer options right here. Well, one way to proceed here would just be to plug all of these numbers in for a and see which one works. But let's use our algebra skills, right? And so what we have is two fractions set equal to each other. And when we have that, we can cross multiply. What does that mean? It means we're going to multiply this times this and set it equal to that times that. No thinking required, just do it, right? So we'll do 2a minus 3 times 2, the whole quantity. So 2a minus 3, that whole thing, times 2. We're going to set that equal to a times 3 minus a right there. Right? So we'll distribute that in. That gives us 4a minus 6 equals 3a minus a squared. Uh-oh, we got a quadratic. So let's combine like terms here. And we're going to move everything over to the left side. So I'm going to move a squared over to that side by adding a squared. I get a squared. I'll subtract 3a. So that's plus 1a, because I'm subtracting 3a from 4a. And minus 6 equals 0. Now, once again, there's an off-ramp here. You could just plug these numbers in. It's a little easier to test now that we have one nice expression. Or you can do a little bit of factoring, not the end of the world. We're looking for a number, or rather two numbers, that multiply to negative 6, but add to positive 1. So we can run through what numbers multiply to negative 6. Negative 6 and positive 1, negative 1 and positive 6. Oh, how about negative 2 and positive 3? So when we factor this, it's going to be a minus 2 times a plus 3 equals 0. And sure enough, when you FOIL that out, you'll see it comes out to this expression. Okay, so we're almost there. We know that a minus 2 times a plus 3 is equal to 0. So that means either this expression or this expression must equal 0. Well, what's going to make this expression equal to 0? 2. I don't see 2 in these answer options. It's asking what could be the value of a. So what's going to make this equal to 0? Well, it's going to be negative 3. If I make a negative 3, then I have negative 3 plus 3 is 0, and that multiplies by whatever this is, negative 5, and that gives me 0. So negative 3 is the correct answer here. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.